Hey guys, Ed up here. Just a real quick video to let you know that Paul and Carol Gautschi have started their own YouTube channel. It is called Back to Eden Live, and they are going to be doing their first ever live stream on their own today at 5 p.m. Pacific. There is a link in the description below that takes you directly to their YouTube channel. They've been putting out videos for the last couple weeks, answering any of the questions that they've got. This is your chance to watch their channel live and ask them your questions. So today, 1:15:24 at 5 p.m. Pacific, they are going to try to go live. The way that YouTube works, there's a possibility that there will be a limited amount of people that can watch this live stream live. So subscribe to their channel, hit the notification button. That way you know the second they go live, and you can be one of the lucky people that are allowed into their live stream.